Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel, Mimi's Homework. I'm Mimi, as you may have figured, and I wanted to shoot a little intro video to talk about who I am, why I created this channel, what kind of videos I'm going to be uploading, and talk a little bit about my story. So yeah, I'm Mimi, I'm 25 years old, and I've been working on Fiverr full-time for almost 2 years now. I have my Fiverrversary in December. I started in December 2022, and technically I didn't really get any orders until probably January or February, but I did start or create my account in December. Within these 2 years, I've completed over 1,000 orders, and at this point I have over 400 reviews, mostly 5-star reviews. I'm very grateful. And yeah, I do this as my full-time job. This is what I do for a living and where I get my income from. Right now I offer 5 different gigs or services. They're mainly centered around writing. I write both German and English texts. So just a little bit of background about me. I was born in Germany. I lived there until I was 18, and then I came to the US to study here, and I've been living here for about 7 years. So that's why I'm able to provide both German and English content. I write blog articles, any type of web content, letters, emails, anything that has to do with writing, but I would say 80 to 90% of the orders I work on are blog articles, and they're also my favorite. I get to be a little bit more creative usually. I don't just offer writing, it's actually SEO content. So SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. So basically if you Google something, you're going to find a bunch of search results, right? And SEO is about helping websites show up higher in Google or other algorithms. Kind of hard to explain. I always don't know how to say it the best way. But yeah, I do SEO. And I also offer strategy services, SEO strategy and marketing strategy. I also do a little bit of social media, content creation and management, but that's maybe 10% of my work. It's mainly just SEO writing and writing in general. If you're wondering if I have like any credentials or any skills in these areas, I did study marketing, so I have a bachelor's degree. And that's where the SEO part comes from. I also taught myself a lot of things along the way, and I've learned so much just within these last 2 years. I feel like I've gotten a lot better at what I do. And writing has always been a passion of mine. I started writing creatively as a kid. I was writing little stories and novels and all kinds of things. So I'm just very happy that I'm able to combine my passion for writing and my marketing experience and kind of combine both into a product that people are willing to pay money for and that can help them, and you know, it's perfect. If you're here to know how much money I'm making exactly, I'm not going to disclose that, at least not at this point. But I'm not making millions, so it's nothing crazy, but I am living off of it, so it's enough to cover my bills and my rent, my food, everything. I'm able to live off of it full time, and I'm really, really grateful for that, because it's always been my dream to work for myself or work from home and not be tied to a 9-to-5. And even though freelancing or working from home for yourself does have its ups and downs, which I'll probably make a video about at some point, I wouldn't change this. I wouldn't trade it for any other job. So why am I making this channel? I feel like I've learned so much over the last 2 years that I've been doing this, and I think I have a couple of experiences, maybe advice to share. Of course, I don't have the blueprint to success. I can't tell you how you're gonna make a living off of Fiverr or any other platform, like for sure. but I can maybe give some of my own experiences, my own tips, things that have helped me, or just, stories, if anybody's interested in that. I don't have all the answers, but if you do have any questions, feel free to let me know and write them in the comments. I might have some answers. When I was younger, I just always wanted to work from home, and I didn't really know how to get into it. I didn't know if it was going to be possible to really make actual money from it. So I would have appreciated, and I did appreciate, all the YouTubers that I found that made videos about working from home, freelancing, Fiverr, other platforms. So yeah, that's what my channel is also gonna be about. What am I gonna talk about on this channel? I'm gonna be giving you guys insights into freelancing or the freelancer life, specifically Fiverr, of course, because that's where I work at the moment. I might possibly also make some videos about other platforms, because I am also interested in trying some platforms, maybe making little reviews, testing them out for a month or two, and then reporting back which ones worked for me or which ones are harder to get orders on. I'm also probably going to give you guys some tips for working from home and being more productive, what works for me in terms of getting stuff done. Because when you work from home, or when you work for yourself, you don't have a boss that's forcing you to work from 9 to 5 or any other time. You have to organize yourself and your orders, and I might make some videos about that. I'll probably make videos about how to get started, how to get into this, and also some of the struggles and the positive sides also that come along with this. I might also make videos about writing, about SEO, social media, marketing, content creation, really anything that you guys are interested in. I don't know if anybody's going to watch these videos, if anybody's going to subscribe to my channel, but I'd be really happy about anybody who wants to watch and interact with me in the comments, so that I know what you would like to see. I might also make some videos about AI and how you can use it to be more efficient, of course in a responsible way, but we'll get into that in another video. So I called this channel Mimi's Homework because it just made sense to me. I work from home, so it's like a little play on words. It doesn't have to do with homework in the traditional sense. It's not related to school. But I do want to give you a little piece of homework for today. Nothing crazy. I just want to know if you have any questions or ideas for video topics, and if you do, I want you to write that in the comments. Let me know what you would like to see. Let me know what you have always wondered about Fiverr, freelancing, working from home, or anything else that I talked about. And of course, if you're interested in my services, if you would like to work with me or purchase one of my gigs, like if you want me to write for your blog or website, feel free to reach out to me on Fiverr. I'm gonna leave my link down there, and you can also find me on LinkedIn, and that link will also be in the description. So I'd be happy to hear from you or work with you too. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say in this video. Just a little intro so you can get to know me before I start putting out videos into the world. I'm still gonna have to figure out my lighting situation, if the audios are right, editing, cutting, everything. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment, and I'd be so happy if you subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.